How to get 3 Robux? Go in the more groups. Wait for this. Ow, yay. Groups. Let's search for the groups.
Groups.
What is it?
Moya. Mocha. Mocha.
Where's the Motia?
Where is Mocha?
This join the game.
Mocha the teddy bear. By Skylar.
Basically 3 million Robux. Now let's go on this. And you have Robux, but it's 1 people.
GG.
You got it now? But I don't have Robux. Oh, look. Screen.
Bruh.
But I don't have Robux.